So we have come here to Antara Gallery and Antara Gallery ma Leading Edge has come here with their dazzling Dandiya Fiesta 3.0 and it is a beautiful exhibition. We have Carol ma'am over here and exhibition ma collection ma શું છે?
એક્ઝિબિશન માં કપલ સેટ છે એન્ડ કચ્છી કાપડા સારીઝ હોમ ડેકોર જ્વેલરી સિલ્વર જ્વેલરી હેર એસેસરાઇઝ નવરાત્રીનું પૂરું કલેક્શન અહીંયા મળી જશે ડુ વિઝિટ 9 times અંતરા ગેલેરી.
Okay, and a collection આખું જોવું હોય તો swipe left. So this brand is called Minang Fashion and they have some beautiful chaniya choli options over here. Okay, different color options, different style options તમને મળી જશે. Okay, something in pastel shades as well. Okay, something in fluorescent shades with this patchwork and handwork over here. They have lots of options to choose from. You can see they have some beautiful colors and they also have lots of dupattas like these. Okay, so chaniya cholis joita hoy, if you're looking for some pretty handwork na blouses, then this is the brand to come to. So this brand is called Gazelle Studio and they've come all the way from Baroda with their collection. They have some beautiful dupattas with patchwork like these. Okay, આમાં અલગ-અલગ options મળી જશે તમને. Okay, બંધેજમાં options છે. They also have options in blouses. You can see lots of blouse pieces to choose from like these. Okay, and they also have kapdas with them like these are all Kutchi original kapdas. Okay, and they have some ghagras as well. You can see they have some very vibrant shades to choose from. Bandej ma kai joitu hoy something with mirror work. Okay, two tone ma kai joitu hoy to ema છે with patchwork, something in multicolor. Okay, and something in cottons as well. So cottons ma bhi options jowa મળશે. This brand is called Anna Ethnics. Hello.
હેલો ગુડ મોર્નિંગ.
Good morning. So એમની પાસે dupattas માં options છે.
અજરકમાં છે
અજરક છે. Okay, something in
Vintage
vintage.
બાંધણીમાં જે મેં પહેર્યો છે એ ટાઈપમાં
બાંધણીમાં with a કચ્છી patch options જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં options છે. Okay. Okay, ચણિયા ચોલીઝમાં બી એમની પાસે ઘણા બધા ઓપ્શન્સ છે એન્ડ સિંગલ પીસ જોઈતો હોય તો સિંગલ પીસ લઈ શકો છો. ઇફ યુ વોન્ટ ધ પેર તો વિથ દુપટ્ટા બી પેર તમને મળી જશે. ઓકે, એન્ડ દે ઓલ્સો હેવ અ લોટ ઓફ બ્લાઉઝીસ ટુ ચૂઝ ફ્રોમ like these. Okay, again with કચ્છી વર્ક. સ્પેગેટીમાં જોઈતું હોય, સ્લીવલેસમાં જોઈતું હોય, લોંગ બ્લાઉઝીસ જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં પણ ઓપ્શન્સ અવેલેબલ છે like these. Okay, વ્હાઇટમાં કંઈ જોઈતું હોય તો એમાં પણ ઓપ્શન્સ અવેલેબલ છે. So this brand is called Indonic and they have some beautiful collection of sarees with them. You can see they have lots of options. Okay,
રેડી બ્લાઉઝ ઓપ્શન
something with mirror work. Okay,
ટિશ્યુ સાડી એન્ડ મિરર વર્ક
tissue saree છે. Okay, what she's worn is part of her own collection.
એન્ડ ડિફરન્ટ કલર
Different colors મળી જશે એમાં. Okay, and these sarees can be used for festive events, they can be used for pujas. ખાલી સાડી જોઈતી હોય તો એમાં પણ options available છે without a blouse. They also have some home decor pieces like these. Bag છે, planters છે.
decor, roti box, jewelry box, something for gifting purpose.
And they have
dress materials
okay, they have dress materials as well.
like basket.
Okay, like these, and of course lots of more sarees to choose from. So this brand is called Vikrish and they have a beautiful collection of jewelry that you can wear for Navratri, for festive events as well. Afghani jewelry options છે. They have some ear cuff options like these. If you're looking for some Kashmiri earrings, તો એમાં પણ danglers options available છે. They have some statement neck pieces like these. Okay, this is something that you wear in the hand. Hair accessories में इनके पास options है. If you're looking for kadas and bangles, so एमा पण है. And they have a very wide variety of nothings present over here. You can see बहुत ज़्यादा options है to choose from. They have bags, more jewelry set options like these. If you're looking for some stone-based jewelry, तो एमा पण options available है. And they have some silver jewelry as well, which can be customized. So overall, a lot of collection to choose from, and this brand is called Vikrish.
So here we are a customized brand. So we have got this chania choli.
Okay, Chania Choli's my options share. This brand is called Angaj. Okay, something in black. Color options, Mari just said they work on
We are
customizations
a
as
totally
well.
customized brand.
Okay,
Yeah. Something in vintage as well.
vintage में options જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં પણ options available છે. Okay, something minimal
Something with paint.
and painted में options છે.
Marriage માટે elegant look માટે પણ.
Okay, they have lots of chania choli options to choose from over here. They also have some festive wear fits like these. Okay, and they have some sunglasses as well like these. And એમની પાસે men's collection માં બી options છે similar to what he has worn. Okay, and તમને matching કરવું હોય તો match પણ કરી શકો છો along with a chania choli.